Running ads but not sure where your traffic is coming from? Today, I'm walking you through how to use Google Campaign URL Builder, a free tool that helps you track exactly what campaigns, platforms, or posts are driving clicks to your website. Hi, I'm Marta, digital marketing consultant and creator of The Social School, where I help small business owners optimize their digital presence. Before we dive in, let's break down what we're even building. A UTM code is a simple string of text that you add to the end of a URL that tells Google Analytics where your traffic is coming from. So let's walk through how to use the Campaign URL Builder. First, search Google Campaign URL Builder. Now fill in the most important fields. First, your website URL. This is the page you're linking to. Your campaign source, where the traffic is coming from. Campaign medium, the type of marketing effort. Campaign name, and it's optional to include a campaign term or content, which is nice for A/B testing. Once you fill that in, the tool will generate a custom URL with UTM parameters at the end. Copy that link and paste it into your ad or social media post. To see the results of your tracking, you're going to go to Google Analytics and then head to Reports, Acquisition, and Traffic Acquisition. Then you can filter by source, medium, or campaign name, so you'll know exactly how each of your paid ad efforts perform. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. I share weekly tips just like this for small business owners who want to grow smarter and not work harder. And if you're ready to get serious about paid ads, check out The Social School. I'll link it below.